Hey Geek, so I'm here today in Vientiane, Laos, and my cousin, he's gonna teach me how to drive this for the very first time. So this is my very first time trying to learn how to drive the motorcycles. Motorcycles are really, really important in Laos and other Southeast Asian countries, but it also requires a lot of skill because if any of you have driven here, this is definitely way different from the United States. It's a lot more chaotic, and so you have to be careful. And so this is my first time trying this, and this is the gas. You're gonna turn it this way, and over here is the brake. So I'm gonna go really slowly, and this is my very first time, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall off, but my cousin's right here, so I'm gonna try this out. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay. Wow. I'm going like super slow, but it's actually going. Okay, so. Okay. So I'm not going fast at all. I'm just trying to not fall off. And I have ridden we have an ATV on the farm, so you know it's very similar, but obviously this is two wheels, and so yeah, so I'm gonna press on the brake, and that is my very first time trying it. I didn't fall off. My cousin was right here to make sure that I didn't hit anyone, and yeah, that's my first time. Oh, jatuh. This is so awesome. I cannot believe I'm driving this. Now, as I stated earlier, we do have an ATV on my farm. So, you know, it's not like I haven't driven these type of things, but I've never driven a two-wheel motorcycle before. So this is definitely different for me. And at the same time, you know, I have my cousin here who's making sure that I'm doing things correctly. And the most important thing is, you know, you want to be sure that you're not putting on too much of the gas, which I am like clearly doing. Yep. Yes.